The Goans Empowered with IT project is a great idea in village schools. I think that this is what we need right now to take us from being the brick and mortar masons of the digital world to the actual architects and innovators of the digital world. Basically, 10 years ago, we graduated out of college. People like me graduated college. We went on to become graphic designers, writers, technical writers, project managers, and developers. So we were basically the brick and mortar masons of the digital economy. This is an initiative of training kids while they are still in school is a great idea, because while you're in school, if you learn how to become a designer, how to become a writer, how to become a programmer or a project manager, when you graduate from school, you'll go into the world with a basic understanding of how this digital world should work. And that's when you scale up to becoming the architects of the digital world, able to innovate and come up with new ideas and new architectures and new innovations for what we need in the technological landscape. And that's what Goa needs. It needs people who can build companies and people who can build ideas and build products that can be taken to the global market, not just building out other people's ideas right now. I think this emerging trend of kids working on test projects and innovating on little ideas will be just in time for about 4 or 5 years from now, when we have more angel investors and venture investors moving down to Goa, living in Goa, and bringing their capital to Goa. Many of these kids will have access to capital, and they'll also have access to friends who can work with them. So this entire talent crunch that we've always been crying about will begin to disappear, as kids will basically work with friends that they've worked before on smaller projects, be able to access funding, build out ideas which then turn into companies. So I think developing these skills in schools now is very important, so that we have this mass of students who are willing to build out their own ideas. आमच्या गोंयच्या गांवांतल्यान सगळ्या पेरंटांनी तांच्या भुरग्यांक कंप्युटर प्रोग्राम शिकपाक पुश करूंक जाय. Be the change you want to see in Goa.